Most folks see weeds as the enemy. They pop up everywhere you don't want them, crowding out your prized veggies and flowers, and it feels like a never-ending battle to keep them at bay. I used to yank them out, toss them straight in the bin, done deal. It felt satisfying, but I never thought twice about what I was really throwing away. But what if I told you those weeds could actually help your garden thrive? Instead of being a nuisance, they could be the secret ingredient your soil is missing. Yeah, it sounds wild, but stick with me. There's a hidden side to weeds that most gardeners never discover. I'll show you how to turn that unwanted jungle into a liquid fertilizer your plants will love. It's easy, cheap, and surprisingly, effective. See, weeds aren't just freeloaders. They're actually working hard beneath the surface, even if it doesn't look like it. They're scavengers, pulling up nutrients from deep in your soil, minerals your veggies can't always reach. Some weeds have roots that go far deeper than most garden plants, mining the subsoil for hidden treasures. When you ferment weeds, those hidden minerals get unlocked and the microbes go into overdrive. The process transforms what was once a problem into a powerful solution. You end up with a powerhouse liquid that plants soak up almost instantly. It's like giving your garden a direct shot of nutrition, right where it counts. So, how does this actually work? Let's break it down step by step so you can try it yourself. When weeds sprout, they grab stuff like calcium, magnesium, even rare trace elements. These nutrients are often locked away deep in the earth, out of reach for most crops. Normally, composting breaks all that down over months. It's a slow, steady process, and sometimes you want results a little faster. But in a fermentation jar, the process is turbocharged. You're speeding up nature's recycling system. Microbes do the heavy lifting, breaking plant tissues down and releasing nutrients in a form roots can grab right away. It's a microscopic workforce, working for free. Here's what you'll need. A bucket, preferably plastic or food grade, so it won't react with the mixture, a pile of chopped weeds, nothing woody, just soft green stuff. Dandelions, chickweed, nettles, purslane, whatever you've got. Honestly, the messier and wilder, the better. The more variety, the more nutrients you'll extract. Next, toss in a handful of brown sugar or molasses. That's the secret ingredient. It feeds the microbes and helps kickstart fermentation. It wakes up special microbes, lactic acid bacteria, the same ones that make sauerkraut and yogurt. These little guys are the unsung heroes of the garden world. Now cover it all with unchlorinated water. Make sure you use enough to fully submerge the plant material. Tap water with chlorine can slow things down, so rainwater or filtered water is best. Make sure everything's submerged. If you only have tap water, let it sit out overnight to let the chlorine evaporate. Seal the bucket, but not too tight. You want to keep bugs out, but let gases escape. Fermentation needs a little airflow. If you seal it up tight, pressure can build up and cause a mess. Then, set it aside for 2 to 3 weeks. Keep it in a shady spot so it doesn't get too hot. You'll see bubbles, the color will darken, and the smell will shift from grassy to tangy. That's the sign of healthy fermentation. That's how you know it's working. The transformation is happening right before your eyes. Once it's done, strain out the solids. You can compost the leftover plant matter, so nothing goes to waste. What you're left with is concentrated plant juice. This is your homemade garden tonic packed with nutrients. But listen, this stuff is strong. It's like a superfood smoothie for your soil, so don't overdo it. Always dilute, 1 part tonic to 20 parts water. This keeps your plants safe and prevents nutrient burn. For delicate plants, go even weaker. A little goes a long way, especially for seedlings and young transplants. Pour it on the soil, not the leaves. This way, the roots and soil microbes get the full benefit. You're feeding the underground microbes, not spraying the foliage. Healthy soil life means healthy plants above ground. Within a week or two, you'll notice your plants pick up speed. Not because this is magic, but because you're giving the soil biology a familiar feast. The results can be dramatic, especially if your soil was lacking before. The plants just follow their lead. When the soil is thriving, everything else falls into place. Best of all, you made it with what most people throw away. You've turned a garden headache into a homegrown solution. If you're seeing weeds in a whole new light now, hit like and subscribe for more ways to decode your dirt. There's a whole world of garden secrets waiting to be uncovered, and weeds are just the beginning.